Hey peoples, so I'm back for another video. This video I'm showing how to install the gear position indicator on a ZX12. So let me show you. I have it installed already. The dash right there is showing it's in neutral. This one I got was off of some overseas, what was it, like AliExpress or something like that. Got it pretty cheap. It was like 30 bucks ship, 35 ship. So the install was pretty simple. First, you had to go on this left cover right here and find this black, it's black thing which attaches here, and then had to disconnect it and attach their piece to that, and then this piece to the other end. Then there's a green wire that runs to the other side that you have to connect to the crank position sensor right here. I still got to tape it up and stuff, but I connected it to the wire right here. See, it's black with a yellow and the yellow with a black. Yeah, so basically you just connect the green wire to the yellow wire, and once you do that, then what I did was I ran the cable from here through here, took off the tank cover and all of this, and just routed it through here into a zip tied it up because it was too long, and then just used double-sided tape and put it right there. So that was the install procedure for this one. I don't know if there's any other ones, gear indicator, which connects differently, but this one, that's how it connected. And also it was super bright, so I don't know if you guys see like a yellow tint over it. I put a yellow tint that I had bought for my fog lights over it because at nighttime it was super duper bright. Like, it was so bright it was like almost making it difficult for me to concentrate and everything, because it was just so bright and in my eyes and taking away for the attention. So that's all for that. All right, bye.